travel in the time of COVID. Let's see what happens. There are many changes in the rules, so we're going to go and experience all that. So, yeah, let's go. Here we are at the airport. I'm traveling with this one. And I'm traveling with this one. She'll be leaving us. She'll go to some place else, or we'll go to some place else. So yeah, this is the airport. You have come here. I can see many of the people already in masks, and some of them are still very stubborn enough to not wear the mask. So let's see. We'll proceed further and let's see what all we have to do. We have finally entered the airport and our baggage got checked twice. Once I guess it was sanitized and second time it got checked. And we got checked. We had a temperature check once. And yeah, so that's that. I see people sleeping all around. Something you want to add?
Yeah, I wish along with the temperature check there was a balance check also, because she trembled. She fell on a fellow who was sleeping down. With
She
her
left
luggage.
the baggage right behind me, okay? So I tripped. I almost fell on that person, right? But he got saved. We saved the day. Yeah, so here we are. This is our luggage. This is my cool slippers. This is the
And
neck pillow.
that's our damsel in distress.
We are waiting for our damsel in distress to...
Let me switch the camera to
You can't switch the camera because I'm recording in a normal...
Then kindly do yourself manually.
Okay. That little pink fellow you see over there, she is the third person. She is the damsel in distress. Her airline is SpiceJet. She is going to a different place. So we are waiting for her to do all the needful things to send her baggage in check-in, and then we'll go to ours. Air Asia. Yo, baby. Guys, three things. First of all, get all the printouts that you need. That, like nowadays, while you book a flight, after that you have to do a web check-in. You get your own printout of the ticket, own printout of the boarding pass, and you download the Arogya Setu app. In that you take assessment, and then you make sure that you're okay. You have a green status on that, and then after that, in SpiceJet they gave the option to print the this thing, check-in baggage tag also. But in AirAsia I didn't see one. I'll have to go to a kiosk over here and then I'll have to print it. So yeah, you should get everything and keep it handy. Keep your ID, keep your this thing, tickets and everything handy, because it's very tiring, you know. Luggage बीच में पकड़ो, मैं अपनी टांग से luggage पकड़ के, then I'll have to take out my ID and everything, and they are checking it on every possible step. I think she's done with it. Yep, she's coming back. Then we'll head to AirAsia. SpiceJet is done. These items are not allowed in the security check-in. Obviously, firearms. Lol. Never have I ever bought anything from these outlets on airport. Lol. But this is the hoarder. She always buys something or other to eat. Hello, hoarder.
Even something for to read or wear. It's not only about eating.
No. It's all the same. It's all the same. No, we are basically roaming because we have 3 hours to spend. I had heard that the person who sits in the middle seat has to wear that whole body overall thing. So I have got the middle seat and I will become Jadoo and show everyone how it's done. कोविड में ये एक सपना पूरा हो गया. फुल बॉडी कवरेज वाली किट पहन लो. I'm wondering where is she going. हम पीछा कर रहे हैं अपनी तीसरी साथी का. आपने You should not walk on the ज़मीन पे चिपके हुए escalators, whatever they are called. If you know, tell me. Oops. Chica. We are going to walk, so I'm going to end this. Her सामने she was running, not even looking back. आजकल के लोग. We are going to her gate, which is 33, and then we'll get back to ours, which is 37A. Yes. And we were blocking way for other people, so अभी मैंने yes बोल के side हट गई. On this seat, respect social distancing. Respect भाई, अपनी ज़िंदगी की respect करो. If you want to save yourself, I want to highlight my good. Where are the vibes? Fuck, there's no vibe. Okay, sorry for the bad word. I look like a train wreck, but no problem. इतनी सुबह फ्लाइट पकड़ने के लिए I still look fine, okay? The thing is, mask is white, my skin is dark, so mask सारा का सारा वो ले रहा है. Okay, enough of that, enough of blah blah blah. Here are my people. She's drinking water, she's sitting. Now we have to wait till our boarding time. And अरे देखो वो कौन है, देखो हर घूंट में swag है. Shut up. I don't like it. I don't like Pepsi. I don't like any black soft drink, cold drink. Okay, so yeah. Ask other people also. दूसरे पैसेंजर्स को भी पूछना चाहिए ना कि क्या है. What all did you face? क्या दिक्कत हुई अब तक, बताइए, कुछ टिप्पणी दीजिए. कैसा रहा कोविड-19 में सफ़र करने का, एयरपोर्ट में आने का?
बहुत ही बुरा.
बहुत
लग रहा दम घुट.
दम घुट रहा है. हाँ तो यू कैन रिमूव इट अभी तो. थोड़ी देर के लिए यू कैन रिमूव इट. अदर दैन दैट कुछ भी सामान चेक इन किसी भी चीज़ में दिक्कत?
लिटिल बिट.
वन वर्ड आंसर. लिटिल बिट तो हुआ ही. सामान गिर रहा था, मैं गिर रही थी, सब गिर रहे थे. हेलो मैडम.
I don't want to speak anything.
You don't want to speak anything. Why have you removed your mask? What is this behavior? What is this behavior?
Who breathes of fresh air?
What is this behavior? Go stick to that plant over there.
Yeah, I'm planning to do that.
Fresh air. Jyoti. People are sleeping on this carpet here and there. See, she's literally doing that. What kind of behavior is this? What is
This is
this?
the behavior you do when you get so tired, you get so sweaty, you feel like you're not able to breathe out of these masses. And when you see a plant, a tree,
She's announcing, please wear your mask. She has seen her. Thank you. कृपया ध्यान दें.
अनुरोध है कि वो बोर्डिंग गेट पर
हाँ?
बैठे हुए सामाजिक दूरी का
सम्मान करें.
कृपया अपना मास्क हर समय पहने रखें.
हर समय पहने रखें.
सुखद यात्रा की शुभकामनाएं.
शुभकामनाएं. Madam, what is this behavior? Wear your mask. What is this behavior?
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
ऊपर वाली मैडम इज़ अनाउंसिंग, कृपया अपना मास्क हर वक्त पहने रहें, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को की इज़्ज़त करें. क्या दिक्कत है यार. आई लाइक सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. कूल. सही है. नींद भी नहीं आ रही, कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. लेट मी जस्ट सिट फॉर अ वाइल. हा. A while ago that madam was announcing to keep wearing your mask, and what I thought My theory is that, see, I am sitting in a secluded place, no one is here, but the AC is centralized, and if there is the virus, if someone has sneezed in this atmosphere, it will come back to this place and might get into my system. So it's mandatory and it's better to wear your mask during your whole journey, which I'm gonna do. And again, as I said, I think I'm going to wear the whole full body cover along with the headgear and everything. That will be fun, although no one likes it, but I will like it because it will add one element to this video of mine, because I was really scared before coming कि कैसे कैसे होगा यार. It's tricky, it's new business, it's everything's new here. So yeah, I'll do this, then you can travel and then you can maybe get some help from this. To be on time or to be a little bit early, but we are a little too early. So if you have a flight in morning, so it took us hardly 30 minutes to reach over here from Uttam Nagar. We were worried if there will be any cabs or not. It's curfew time, 9 p.m. till 5 a.m. But we got the cab easily. It came in 5 minutes and then we ordered the cab and then we reached airport in 30 minutes. So we have to kill time over here. We have to sit here, we have to do something. So I'll think of something, or maybe I'll sleep because I'm sleep deprived. I have not slept even a single minute today night. So yes, that's what going to happen. So it's a little advice. You can come a little late. My flight is at 7, but I've reached here at 3:45.
Look at her roaming all around. 2 बार announcement करवा चुकी है. You're supposed to maintain the social distancing. बेचारी नींद से पागल हो चुकी है. इतनी नींद आ रही है उसको कि बैठा ही नहीं जा रहा है. Hey dude, what's up? All good by you? Okay, she's fine.
Now they are tired with talking and now they are asleep. I can't even sleep. The mask is itching, the gloves are itching. Baby doll's sleeping. Oh, the girl with tattoo. What is this behavior? Why are you hungry? It's about time, your flight is about to go. I can only see expressions. Yes, okay. What is this behavior? Always want to eat. Okay, I'll think you did not just do it. Okay. Oh, dikh rahe vibes, good vibes. Sad thing that happened to me. I just cut my finger right now, and we went to the pharmacy and I got a band-aid, and I'm just actually my nail got detached from my finger. Now I'm keeping it together with the band-aid, and when I reach Guwahati, I'll see what to do about this. And it's literally bleeding. They desired for, they always want to eat, and right now the food has arrived. We're having McD after long, right? शक्लें देखो भूखे लोगों की, भूखे लोगों की शक्लें। ओह, पीछे देखो नीचे लोग हैं, आज मैं ऊपर आसमान नीचे। Done eating and now our pink friend will go to board her flight from gate number 33 for Patna Spice Jet. We got to say bye to her. We'll go see her off and then we'll go to our own gate and then हाँ मास्क लगा रही हूँ। We'll be reaching at gate number 33. That is the boarding gate of the pink one. We are here to see her off. And there she goes. One on her way. Bye bye. This is the safety kit that we have got from Air Asia, which is our carrier for today. There's one mask. What is this? One headgear. I'm so fly. What is I'm so fly? Okay, so this I've got. I'm still hoping I don't get the whole raincoat जैसा चोंचला. And it is touch. It's like I'm going to do a surgery or something. कोई बीमारी है तुम्हें? मैं ठीक कर दूँगी. Oh, he. This is the thing I was talking about. You'll have to wear the headgear, and I'll most probably tie my hair. That would be for the best. And yeah, this is very weird. Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. Very weird. There I go. How are you, sister? It's literally feeling like I'm going to do some operation. It feels very, very, very weird. I look like an alien, and this feeling is very weird. Everyone is with masks and headgear and everything. This is not normal. I can't even say this is the new normal. No, this is not normal. In no way. It is completely abnormal. What the hell? Very creepy. This is very creepy. How do you feel about this? Isn't it creepy? About what? The new normal. It's not normal this.
Yeah, but what can we say? Safety comes first. You got to adjust in this.
I look like a surgeon. Alien.
Not alien, actually surgeon, yeah. But ठीक है. Let's hope for the previous normal.
Go Karuna. Go Karuna. Karuna go.
We are about to take off and my Badki Didiya has come in a more comfortable position with her neck pillow,
which she specially brought to sleep in the flight because that's what she does. Okay, and I like to watch out of the window, and right now there's no one on the window side. I hope no one comes. Kabza, kabza.
सांस लेते रहें। दूसरों की सहायता
Okay,
करने
boss.
से पहले अपना नकाब ठीक से पहन लें। आपकी
बिल्कुल।
रक्षा जैकेट आपकी कुर्सी के नीचे रखी है। यदि
Yes.
आपातकालीन स्थिति में विमान को पानी पर उतरना पड़े तो इस रक्षा जैकेट को इस तरह This may differ from other aircrafts. We ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt.
It's so freaking uncomfortable, I can't tell you. I mean, my ear is paining where this mask is hanging, and then this headgear is so itchy. Everything is so not comfortable. I'm not really enjoying this. Hope to land soon. Snow, leaf or grass, it's clouds. Wow, so surreal. Before coming here, I had read about the self-health declaration from COVID-19 health declaration from Arogya Setu. Nothing got checked. And I have heard from people that it gets checked, but I didn't experience any such thing. So in any case, you should take it, you should carry it, no harm. कर लो आरोग्य सेतु डाउनलोड कर लो, अपनी इंडिया का ऐप डाउनलोड. And as you can see, I'm speaking again and again because I can't sleep. This is going to be a really big video, and I don't know how many of you have come till here, but if you have, thanks.
Requesting you to kindly return to your seat, fasten your seatbelt. Uses of lavatory is strictly prohibited at this time. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Announcement from the flight deck. Thank you all for choosing to fly with us today to Guwahati.
This route in which I am traveling, most of the time it has so much turbulence. I can't see anything. It's completely equally white all together outside. It's scary, yes, and the aircraft is hovering. I literally can't see anything except the white color. What you can see in the video is exactly what I can see. White, white, white all around. Just now the captain informed us that he has a visibility of 3 kilometers and we are 180 kilometers away from Guwahati. And yeah, as usual, the weather here is not so favorable. The captain announced, everyone announced, but this creature just doesn't care. She's sleeping. Oh, luckily the person who had to get this window seat didn't come, and I got the opportunity to take this window seat and I took it. So now I'm blinded by the white clouds. There's nothing, there's no vision, I can't see anything. And I've been to Guwahati twice or thrice and this is new. I was able to see things. but it's just completely white sky on both sides. So yes, I'm happy that I'm on the window seat. Again, my ears have gone. I can't hear what I'm saying. I hope I'm saying things in the right manner. See ya.
Dhanyavad, ladies and gentlemen. We will be landing shortly.
We will be landing shortly.
In an upright position, fasten your seatbelt,
Yep.
secure your tray table in original
Okay.
position, and keep your windows open. If you
My stomach is
have been using
tickling.
any electronic equipment during the flight,
There are little
please ensure
jerks
that it is
and
switched off
sudden
now.
movements and
Please
it's
also be informed that the lavatory
messing
will
with
no longer
me.
be used.
Completely messing. Opening her eardrums, slept all the way. She can't hear me. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. So green, so beautiful. It's like, it's not ground, it's some kind of grid, some kind of playing board. Am I landing on a village? What? Whoa. Aircraft was so close to all these houses, yeah? Shit. It's going to touch the ground. It's going to. Oh, and it did. Ooh, butterflies. And we have landed successfully. Badhai ho. Asked everyone to maintain social distancing and only leave your seats when the person sitting in front of you has left. But you see, everyone is standing without any distance in between them, and if you do that too, sudhar jao beta. I'll show you. Jai ho social distancing, Jai ho corona. I mean, what the fuck? It is as usual the rainy season in Guwahati, and we're going to take this bus and we're going to go to our luggage belt and then collect our luggage. That is my favorite part. We didn't get the seats. Does that make us sad? No. Nope. Are we sad we didn't get the seats? She can't hear me. She still can't hear me. Well, that's creepy. So we thank you for your service. Bye bye. Well, you beauty. I missed you. I'm coming exactly after a meal. And you see the weather in Delhi and the weather over here. Zameen aur Asmaan ka fark hai. I'm going to be away from that scorching heat for a few days. So yeah. Ooh la la. What is it? Okay. So we have to follow this one person only social distancing. Okay. I'll be here. I want to follow it. Get rid of the full body cover. Now that I've done that, I've got my sister. Dekho. You didn't remove this. He asked me to remove this for temperature. The belt. Aja aja, tu saman mera.
Let me collect it. Bye.
We have got a few forms to fill over here. There's this undertaking that I will not deviate from my path, and what I've told over here, I will go to that same place. And there's one more thing, taking our details and data in case we are the corona carriers, and then they'll catch us. Azadi. Azadi finally came out of the airport. There's still stuff to do. We filled 2 or 3 forms and it was very hectic. And यहाँ पे बहुत humidity हो रही है. Just a while ago I was talking about the good weather, but the humidity, ish. We fill the forms and like they're not even touching the forms. You fill the form, you show the form, they take a picture, and then they ask you to tear it off and put it in the dustbin. It was tough, but yes, security, safety, COVID ko bhagati, everything. I hope it helps, because it's very devastating when you come from a journey and you carry your bags and बीच में झुक के कहीं भी अपने पैर पे हाथ पे रख के you have to write all those forms. So yeah, it's different in different states. So for Assam, for Guwahati, I'm telling this. So for your destination, you do check and go. Papa has come.
सुबह दादाजी फोन किए थे.
दादा गए थे या कि केवल
गए थे.
हेलो करिए पापा. हेलो करिए. करिए हेलो.
I banged my head, I don't know, so many times. I haven't slept even a single minute since last 24 hours. देवी और सज्जनों, कुछ ही देर में हम अब पहुंचेंगे अपनी मंजिल पर, जहां मुझे अपनी मम्मी और अपनी दादी मिलेंगी. That's our Air Force gate. We have to enter from there, and after that I'll stop shooting because rules. So next we'll see. This is what we got as a gift. COVID-19, do not visit home under quarantine. Now we are under quarantine for 14 days from 18th June onwards till 1st July. And yeah, and they have provided helpline numbers. So if we need anything, we just have to call and they'll give us everything at home itself.
I'm meeting my mama. कैसा लग रहा है मिलके?
बहुत अच्छा.
अब मिली हूँ मैं.
अब मिली हूँ. कितना मेरा तू ठंडा ठंडा मैं गरम गरम.
She's making pakoras for me, fritters. Yeah, that's me, daddy.
गोपी बोलत यार तमन एक बर्तन लेके गई ये लगावा तो ओकरा के ये कहाँ से आ गई हो?
ई रहुआ
तो हम तारा लगे कहाँ चल गई?
यही तो गोनी.
अभी
हाँ. What do you have to say? We have come to Assam to meet you. What do you have to say? Any tippani?
Very good.
Very good. We have brought 14 days chutti for you. Home quarantine.
Pepsi Cola. So it's the next day. Good morning. We slept like Kumkaran. Who sleeps? 12 hours. 12 hours. It was exactly 12 hours. We slept for like 12 hours, and right now I have completed compiling all the videos and
I was too tired to do anything yesterday. After the last video, I just went and we ate, and the food, मम्मी के हाथ का खाना वाला feeling only I can get because we live far away.
For once, I was really.
What is she doing? What is she doing? What are you
This is
doing?
my grandmom's thing. I'm just seeing what this is made of. And if you want my view, I'm so happy to be back here. You can see the weather on your weather forecast. It's very lovely. We were welcomed by showers of rain. Yes, there is some humidity.
You can see it in your weather forecast.
Yeah, in their forecast. Or you are most welcome if you want to come and join here in Assam. For now, I'm happy.
We'll ask Pink also how is she feeling, and we'll attach that video also.
But I would like to share something. She has been properly quarantined in her home, and we have been too, but that is from the side of Air Force
Yeah, that I'm told.
fraternity.
She
But
is
she's
in
been
real
quarantined
problem.
from her own father, that is our grandfather, and she hasn't been given her luggage, so she has to be in her single piece clothing, which is also borrowed from her sister. So I guess she's not very much happy to be back at home.
She wasn't even provided with her own charger. All her luggage was taken away and kept on the terrace, and it was left there to get some sunlight, and then after that it was sanitized and stuff. So she'll tell you. Let's see.
Hello guys, it is tomorrow and it is the next day and I'm very tired. I slept whole day and my father took my all luggage and said that you have to quarantine for 14 days in a room.